Welcome to the Complete Crypto Guide for Beginners. My name is Rafael Alvi, and I will be taking you along this journey on how to learn every single thing you need to know as a beginner for crypto before moving forward. So today, after watching the first episode, hopefully you guys watch these videos in order because it is very important to do so. After you watch the last video, which is episode 1, video 1, be sure to watch this video, which is episode 2, how to purchase your crypto. Now, we decided, as somebody who lives in the States, I decided that, hey, the exchange I'm going to personally be using is going to be Coinbase. Now, again, I am currently on Coinbase right now. I'm using a dummy account and I have deposited some money. And pretty much now you have signed up and made your Coinbase account. One of the most important things to do is make sure you have verified your identity on Coinbase, which is implementing your license or your passport or your government official identification. So that way you can get all the perks required to access the exchange without having any limitations, because Coinbase likes to make sure that you have 100% authentic information placed, because if you do not have the right information, you will run into issues. So now I have deposited some money just to go ahead and show you guys how things happen. So I have about $292. Now, the way this balance works, it shows you the balance that you have in all your crypto combined. So in my case scenario, I have some money in USDC coin, and I can see all the assets that I hold right here. So right now I have $249 worth of USDC, and you can see this right here. Now, if I want to buy any crypto, now people commonly have this question is, oh, I can't find my crypto that I want to buy on Coinbase. So let's say you run into a scenario, right? And you want to, let's just open up something right here. This is a Gmail account. Let's say if you wanted to buy something here, right? In this case, VeChain. We'll use VeChain as an example. Hey, I like VeChain, but for some reason, I cannot buy it on Coinbase. Now, people have this issue with, they're like, oh, well, sometimes I can search and find the actual asset on here, right? Sometimes you can actually go to the watch list and you can search your specific crypto that you're looking for, and maybe you might see it, right? Top movers, or if you go to complete assets, sometimes you can set it up to how you want it. So personally, for me, it will only be showing me the assets that are on Coinbase. But let's say you want to buy VeChain. Well, I cannot buy VeChain, right? Because if I want to buy and sell crypto and I want to choose a specific crypto, well, why can I not find VeChain here, right? I can find, what if I want to buy something like Theta? Well, I can't find Theta on here. What if I want to buy anything, right? Anything that's not on Coinbase I want to buy? Well, that's because, well, hey, if you go to the actual cryptocurrency, you can see that VeChain is not actually on the market for Coinbase. You can only buy VeChain on these specific exchanges. And yes, guys, sometimes you will need to have a different exchange to buy a different crypto, but VeChain is just an example. So in this case, if you go back to your Coinbase, you can see that, hey, well, I can't really buy VeChain, so I'm limited to only a certain amount of cryptos that are on Coinbase alone. So just off the top, if we wanted to buy something like Litecoin, right? If I want to buy something like Litecoin or something like Chainlink, right? If I want to buy Chainlink, I know that Chainlink is on Coinbase because, well, hey, if we want to double check, we can always go here, right? And we can type Chainlink, and we will see that Chainlink is on Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, and sometimes they will usually give you the top crypto exchanges right here just to make things easier for you so you can find what you're looking for. But in this case, we can confirm that, hey, Chainlink is indeed on Coinbase. So that's why, well, before I even go by, I can see it's here. So I've gone ahead and connected my bank account, and you guys should also do that if you guys want to make big purchases. Now, if we wanted to buy Chainlink, we can decide, hey, how do we want to buy Chainlink? Do we want to use buy with our bank account? Do we want to use crypto? You can always select how you want to select. So you won't be able to actually buy USDC. You won't be able to buy Chainlink with USDC coin on this page. And this is the issue that most people have, right? You can see here, preview buy, and it will hit the buy and it'll say, hey, here we are. it will preview the buy, it'll load, it'll show me, hey, my Wells Fargo account, and because I have Coinbase Prime, I believe it's called Coinbase One, I'm not too sure what it's called. Oh, I hope I didn't, I think it's updating instead. Yeah, it's showing me the exact value of what I'm doing. So because I have Coinbase One, yeah, that's what's called Coinbase One, I have the free fee. And because they are limiting Coinbase Pro this year and changing it just to Coinbase One so they can make more money from people paying a membership. So that's another video on its own. So if I wanted to buy Chainlink, I connect my bank account and I can now buy Chainlink, and then I will have Chainlink on this account. But again, there are all these steps that you have to take to make sure, hey, is this the right exchange for me? If majority of my cryptos are not on Coinbase, then it might not be the right thing to do, right? And the third thing is, hey, do I want to connect my bank account? Because many people don't like trusting exchanges, but Coinbase is very trustworthy. I've been using it for years. So if you want to do all this, you can click the buy. But since I already have USDC, I could always just convert. Hey, I have a USDC coin, right? And I can convert Chainlink, because the option on the buy was actually not the option to buy Chainlink through just USDC coin was not on the first page of the buy. I have to actually convert it. So if I wanted to convert $100 worth of USDC into Chainlink, I can preview the convert, and hey, you know, I click the convert. So now for the case of this video, I'll go ahead and convert, and we'll get the 100 USDC to 14 Chainlink, which if you do the math, right? If Chainlink is currently at the price of, let's see, so the current price of Chainlink is $7. You can see the current price of Chainlink right here, $7.07 for Coinbase. Everything is different on each exchange, so you can always see what the highest price is, what the lowest price is. So in this case, Coinbase is somewhere probably down here because it gives you the most fair price of the current at the current time. And so now we can convert. Okay, well, if I have 14.0669 Chainlink and I sell it for $7.07, I get close to 100 USDC. And for those who do not know what 100 USDC is, USDC coin is pretty much essentially the US dollar stable coin. So it's a direct stable coin for Coinbase USD coin, and that's the coin that they back by. Many exchanges like using USDT, but Coinbase likes to use USDC. That's the one where you get less fees because you're using the actual crypto for it. So that's how you purchase your crypto on Coinbase, and that's how you can convert your crypto. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this short and sweet video. And again, every exchange is different, but it's very similar processes. And you just want to make sure you don't click the wrong buttons on things, and want to make sure that you trust the right exchange, because you don't want to use a sketchy exchange and give them your social security, your license, your passport, because that's the last thing you want to do is have a sketchy exchange have access to all this information, because a lot of these bigger exchanges have the valid licenses. They have all the connections with governments that keep you and your assets safe. Again, be sure to join the Crypto Network Discord from the link in bio. And if you guys want to support me further, you can always join the VIP club, which is right here. Again, if you want to support me, I don't do any paid promos or sponsors, but again, I am filming the complete crypto guide course these next couple of days. So hopefully you enjoy these videos. I love you guys so much. I will see you in video 3, and be sure to subscribe and like the video.